Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. With nutrition playing a vital role in keeping service members energized, it's remarkable how Navy culinary specialists in the galley manage to prepare thousands of meals every single day.
Most of y'all got about, what, 2 or 3 hot pots? Look at this, coppers. Enough food to cook for about 5,000 people. Ching-ching. Then when you know what I'm saying, we cooking and cooking. Then we coming over here, the tilt skillet. We cook steaks, vegetables, steam it, do whatever you want to it, you know what I'm saying? Because we got it. We're bigger than y'all think over here.
Step inside the USS Carl Vinson, or CVN-70. Where culinary specialist First Class Andrew DeMarsico leads a culinary performance to sustain the floating city's 5,000-strong crew. In this flavorful journey, mass communication specialist Chief Russ DeFury takes us inside the routines of life within the carrier's galley.
So today we have the roast burger, I like to call it. I got a roast here that we actually slow roasted at 225 for about 19 hours. I choose to use the standard burgers that we have on board, just for the fact that I want to show these guys that you could take
regular everyday ingredients
and turn it into something great.
Yeah, absolutely.
DeMarsico and his team confront the task of crafting thousands of meals each day while adjusting menus to suit varied preferences.
This 5-star burger, I don't know if you realize where I am right now. I'm in a galley on a ship. I'm about to eat this.
Embark on a culinary journey with the unsung heroes of the USS Harry S. Truman, or CVN-75, as they prepare for special events like Christmas. On this sentimental day, sailors gather on the mess decks, enveloped in the festive spirit. With the aircraft carrier moored at Naval Station Norfolk for maintenance and training, culinary specialists diligently craft a holiday feast. Meanwhile, aboard the USS Nimitz, the ship gathers for a unique holiday celebration.
Today we're having a Christmas dinner with our Nimitz family and our families who came on board today. We're all enjoying a feast. We're just enjoying each other on our Christmas day.
These moments not only underscore the resilience and camaraderie of naval personnel, but also highlight the vital role of dedicated chefs in bringing a touch of home to the high seas during special occasions. Travel into the heart of the Arabian Gulf, where the aircraft carrier USS Carl Vinson, CVN-70, transforms its mess decks into a Thanksgiving haven. In this innovative narrative, witness the ship's leadership serving over 2.5 tons of turkey with precision and gratitude. As the vessel navigates the U.S. Fifth Fleet area, supporting Operation Inherent Resolve, sailors and Marines savor a traditional feast, a comforting reminder of home amidst the critical mission. The culinary team orchestrates a colossal effort, showcasing the dedication required to bring a slice of Americana to those stationed far from their families during this heartfelt holiday. Life aboard the USS George Washington unfolds with a stark duality. While fortunate sailors embrace liberty in port, a dedicated crew tackles the formidable task of resupplying the colossal aircraft carrier.
We may get, like today, 41 pallets of food. There's supposed to be 10 pallets of general stores, the ship store, for what we can actually buy, goodies, drinks, water, snacks.
At the same time, the bustling scene captures the intricacies of loading supplies, revealing a meticulous and time-consuming process. Far from a quick day of work, it underscores the unseen efforts that sustain the floating city. Showcasing the relentless commitment of those ensuring the USS George Washington remains operational and ready for its next mission. Dive into the bustling eating area of the Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, USS Abraham Lincoln, or CVN-72, another multi-billion-dollar vessel. Sailors navigating a balanced deployment diet carefully select from a spectrum of healthy food choices. This vivid snapshot, captured by mass communications specialist, second class Lewis Lee, encapsulates the intersection of nourishment, resilience, and the unwavering commitment of those who serve on this floating bastion of strength. Even amidst the vastness of the sea, there are the legendary eating contests that occasionally take place in the galley.
Close right there.
Laughter, cheers, and friendly competition fill the air as participants test their stomach's limits. All aboard the unexpected luxury of the USS Carl Vinson, where a floating piece of home emerges with the introduction of a Starbucks store. In this one-of-a-kind adventure, witness the innovative collaboration as Starbucks representatives come on the aircraft carrier to train Navy personnel as baristas. The ship's coffee house, adorned with 7 Starbucks coffee drink options, becomes a respite for sailors at sea.
This is benefiting sailors by giving them the hometown feeling, I guess. Starbucks you usually don't find on ships, especially warships.
Amidst the structured routines of naval life, this onboard Starbucks stands as a testament to the Navy's commitment to enhancing the well-being and morale of its crew, providing a comforting taste of familiarity in the vastness of the open ocean. In a rare glimpse into daily life aboard the USS George H.W. Bush, or CVN-77, sailors engage in a routine yet essential task: grocery shopping at the ship's store. This extraordinary scene unfolds against the backdrop of the aircraft carrier's deployment in the U.S. Fifth Fleet area, which plays a crucial role in maritime security operations. Petty Officer, 3rd Class Dustin Good's production reveals the meticulous process of procuring supplies amidst the strategic missions of Operations Enduring Freedom and New Dawn. Showcasing the seamless integration of everyday tasks within the larger context of naval operations at sea. Descend into the depths of the USS Oklahoma City, or SSN 723. A Los Angeles-class fast attack submarine, where sailors navigate the challenges of culinary operations during routine underway missions. In this powerful portrayal, the submerged vessel becomes a self-contained world. The USS Oklahoma City emerges as a silent yet dynamic force beneath the surface of the open sea. In the annals of naval innovation, the Pre-Commissioning Unit South Dakota, or SSN 790, stands as the 17th Virginia-class fast attack submarine and a notable 7th in the Block III construction series. In addition, imagine the confined world of the Pre-Commissioning Unit South Dakota navigating the Atlantic. Amidst the monotony, culinary specialists become the unsung heroes, transforming the submarine's mess into a haven of delicious escape. Navy Senior Chief Petty Officer Chris Petticourt and his team craft daily feasts, a testament to their artistry and dedication. In the depths, they create everything from scratch, conjuring pizza, omelets, and giant cookie bars that tantalize the crew of 135 submariners. Amid the vast and unforgiving waters off Newfoundland and Labrador stands Hebron, one of the world's largest and most remarkable offshore oil platforms. Rising like a fortress from the sea, it serves as both a hub of industry and a temporary home to hundreds of workers who brave long shifts in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Among these, the culinary teams hold a unique responsibility, creating hearty, comforting meals that sustain morale and fuel the relentless pace of work on the rig. To understand the rhythm of offshore living, one must also look toward CNOOC, International's Golden Eagle platform. Life here is a blend of precision operations and communal existence, where each member of the crew must adapt to both technical demands and the challenges of being far from home. Long days blur together as sailors and workers share meals, downtime, and duties, forging strong bonds through shared adversity. From carefully timed drilling activities to the organized bustle of meal service, every detail plays a part in maintaining efficiency and safety. Though the environment is demanding and isolation can be intense, camaraderie thrives in these close quarters. Workers come to rely on one another, finding support in simple daily rituals. At the heart of it all lies the dining hall, where breakfast, lunch, and dinner provide not only nourishment, but also a sense of routine and stability. Similar to the cooks on aircraft carriers, chefs on the Disney Cruise Line also work in a military fashion. This is where the kitchen transforms into a realm of magic and innovation. In a hyper-militant fashion, witness the artistry of chefs who craft enchanting dining experiences on the high seas. As an industry leader, Disney Cruise Line offers culinary enthusiasts competitive benefits and a chance to traverse the globe. Set out on a culinary odyssey with Disney Cruise Line, where kitchens become realms of magic and innovation. From quick service delights to exquisite fine dining, the ship's kitchens cater to a diverse array of tastes, ensuring every palate is treated to a memorable journey. Whether it is sailors lining up for a Thanksgiving meal thousands of miles from home, or cruise ship guests marveling at culinary artistry, the kitchen becomes the beating heart of life at sea. These unsung chefs and culinary specialists are more than cooks. They are keepers of tradition, providers of comfort, and creators of connection in places where both body and spirit must endure. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.